How to turn off HDR on Instagram. In this tutorial, I will show you step-by-step how to turn off HDR on Instagram. Open the Instagram app on your phone. Once on the home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. This will take you to your profile section. On the profile page, tap on the menu icon at the top right corner. You will land on the Settings and Activity page. Scroll down and tap on Media Quality. On this page, you will see different options related to how Instagram handles high-quality uploads and playback. Look for the toggle button named Display HDR Media. If it is enabled, tap to disable it. Once disabled, Instagram will stop showing HDR media. HDR makes photos and videos brighter and more detailed, but sometimes it can make files larger and cause slower uploads or compatibility issues. By turning it off, your content will appear in standard quality. Once done, exit the settings page. From now on, your Instagram feed will display without HDR. If you ever want to enable it again, come back to the same setting and turn it back on. The process is quick and only takes a few steps. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you're facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to turn off HDR on Instagram.